This is going to be a very quick review of the Oshlun miter and portable saw laser guide. We can see over here that I've installed it already. Instructions very easy. All you have to do is take off your blade, remove the plate that came with the saw, and replace it with the laser piece. I checked it out before. If you're in a sunny area, this is worthless to you. You've got to have some darkness so you can see the red line on the piece of wood. I'm going to mark a piece of wood right now, and then I'm going to cut it, and we'll check it out. I don't want this to be a long 20-minute or 8-minute video so that I can get ads. I just want you to know, does it work, does it not work? Please do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, donation link in the video description, and I will leave a link if you want to order this thing. It comes with, I think it comes with some spare batteries. Yeah, spare batteries in the back, and it comes with batteries already installed. And I believe there's two different styles. I think one's for a table saw. I could be wrong, but I think one's for a table saw. This is a 7 1/4 inch Ryobi. I also had it on my 12-inch DeWalt. Yes, I had a 12-incher, the DeWalt that I returned. So let's mark a piece of wood and we'll test it out. I am in a garage with a little bit of sun, with a lot of sun outside, not a lot of light in this garage. So let's see, do we see the, I don't want to get too close. Do we see the laser? No, we don't see the laser, and it's about an inch away from the piece of wood. So I'm going to have to do the cut, and I'll show you what the results are, and you'll know, is it worth it or not? So what I noticed here is that I've got the blade adjusted right on the right side of the line, the outer right side of the line. And so the blade would be right over here and cutting this way, and the laser is showing on the left side of the line. So I'm not sure if this is accurate or not. So the results, when I have the laser lined up on the right side of the line, this is the cut that I get. I didn't think it was this bad. It was okay on the DeWalt. This is terrible. I was going to keep this because I thought it was going to work, but I think this is going to have to go back. This is not good at all. This is absolutely worthless. That's probably because of my saw. It's a Ryobi 7 1/4. It should work, but it is totally off. Totally off to the left. And would I buy it again? No. Does it work? I'm sure it works for a lot of people, and good for them.